Morning Show eso. And 2nd November 2024, the year of our Lord Almighty. December bosome no a na Nyankopon e de afi January a wode ya bewura December odofo anopai Awurade ayebi e de amaye 12 solid months edipa bebrei pese enedai enkomu behu nanso omantimi ehu sabrei tetrema eda abodwiem emoja edi mafisane odofo enye boni aye fa aseda ema Israel domberima Baby a will be an opay, who shall co well to medie, Kumewu TV so, and as a home TV. Ma won sasso, any dear quasso, Nakasa Israel don berima, an opay, medawasio. Trone say, Edu, ena mesa 1 yare, na enkuna akano, away. Don't be ungrateful. Be grateful to Abba Father, Almighty God, the great provider. Wono ena 2nd December Monday 2024, the year of our Lord Almighty. Wama menu nyina ehunu ni han fefefe odofo kosoafa aseda ema Israel domberima. The name still remains Odishieba Kweku Edisipoku, the political MS Mampong kontonchi ni dishie da sebre osebo nsu a otosu mienu de hyekonkron enso nsuo enso ja osuo abrobro mitim de mitim ensem no eye Ghana nsem ene ye ba beka enye MPP sem enye NDC sem me maka mesi ye mfa anihaha ne enko aprekensema efie obi ani ho aye wo no Wednesday a nani emreda mani e din star bia bi na me fearless ninsuro hwe etie ka na wowa kanwanu tum woye ni ya ye beka wa anye ni ya ye beka ye mekrokro MPP ye mekrokro NDC ana CPP ana agum woye papa ye beka because se ye to aba ye de mandate emamo a enye sabi mubotom ska na mo de hwete memfo a ewo man Ghana so ha no etie the taxpayers money ema wa de sefata no ewese woye wa anya ye bebo wachi eja na se de mpanifo aka ensem bi ato no etu owei enya chiginafo a na eto na eto a eto dimayaw dimakum na Kowa Morning Show on Kumewu or Home TV so aboafo bi adaroma na aso yasene o man so yasene a create me for the best global morning show yi emrel anopai aha na dodo na agebra o mo hwe no mo sa eti Kowa Morning Show odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboa odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboa na aso yasene a yedi dwumadie no ebrewo ewiemre ope onyankopon edifo a na adomachede ne nwosra ewo ne so a odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboa a wo drobo japekrum entena se emfa wonsa nhyɛ wodamri fam enka se ewiase bibi ni honom empanifo se bibi wo ho ntina yeda yatupunum mepa chawtie ebani ye bibi wo ho ntina yeda yatupunum enya bibi ni wiase a enka yeda yantupunum yenka ne saa bibi wo ho nti ene yeda yatupunum bibi wo ho on se aware no aware enso ni anigye ewo aware ni adwuma no ye enso akatu asem ye de ma akora unhunu sika so be amanfo ko promotion wo ma beti wadwuma nyina esa ho eko promotion international school watibi amanfo de ekoso edwa no udi bi make say wo de ekora fo che de wo ne ete wote wo nche de enso ye nto de bibi wo wiase eti ne yeda yatuprum na o pawie emrem onyankopon difo na ko a boyi na oji nyamema efiri ye haw ene ya benedie ma odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboa o japekurum drobo japekurum kohonom na onyankopon edifo ema wo akwantre a betimi de adi nkunim ewo ewiase asetenem yemfre odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboa Maka. Mesu obi a won Wednesday bia no. We leader. Wednesday born. We are kings and queens. Metimi abobɔ din a menue da. Wɔn a yɛwo wɔn nkuada a Onyankopɔn ama omu tumi a omu di Ghana so. Omu di yɛ adwuma e wiase globally ebo atemamfo. Odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboa. Someone who ɔde hye Kwaku Erisipoku. How I'm very powerful. It Wednesday born bia powerful. Yeboa no ye me maame. Kwaku no nso ye me ankasa. Yenko drobo Jape krom. Ye how yamane ye nyina no. Yemfa enkogu Onyankopɔn edifo. Onyankopɔn ako a ewemrem. Wayi na ogi nyamema. Afi ye how ene abenedim odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboa wo drobo Jape krom. Yemfa onyamedifo e 0243 35 6583 0243 35 6583 and afei 020 715 1288 0207 15 12 88 odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboa a wo drobo Jape krom ebusiafo yemfa ye haw ene abenedie nyina enkogu onyamedifo onyame akoa enase ye no no so ebegye afie haw ene abenediem sanso na Nisak professional painting Nisak professional painting we enye nkwanche painter bia o na womodi bubom brush onwie na woda ho nyina asɛ dabi asɛ ensuo ateche ene ate aye woda ho Nisak we professional painter obe painti wo down no over a decade in history ye ka decade 10 years century 100 80 Nisak professional painting wo Kumase Ahodwo Atenga Junction heye esmasi ye fie no ye be painti na ye fefefe o sport no wo be painti na ye fefefe na manfo nso attract o mamoma ba ho wa sorry down painti na in economics branding is very vital or indispensable branding o kala kura wo de a painti a design wa sorry o store o fie no kura no e mamanfo eba o fie honom. So in economics or in business branding is very vital or indispensable. It's very, very important. A two pedi obe paint you feel no professional painter. Enye minye ya wo bo mfa chiansi ya wo tete tale hu ya. Wan hwe ya dadem okura ceiling no kura da na so good so there bi. Nisak professional painter or painting Kumase Ahodwo Atenga Junction. Yemfa Nisak I was 0243 33 8204 0243 33 8204 ena mo a mo amonone no betimi afre Nisak +1 401 584 0985 +1 no abo code na hye honum 584 0985 Nisak professional painter wono ene be paint ufie no ama ufie na ya akono yenko Kumase Atenga Junction free number no na omeye udwumadie no emfama. Now without wasting much or ample time no, over the weekends a lot of stories ena esisi here. Though we have 2 or 3 stories are and here the main topics for discussion me ne my baby afon ebe na say near digest ya diagnose e de amamo. But don't forget enye nsem yenu ya me di betu dey ya me ne abegafo ebe discuss no kwa na over the weekends no esi here. Numerous many ample stories in the show here. As you know, we have less than a week for our general election. 7 December coming Friday, Ghana for the coordination so akwa the whole lot of promises and all these parties no promising Ghanaians. Promise they do promise, but when we give them our mandates, our term, always they disappoint us. 80 Die mene abedwafo ebesi nkonya adwendwene ho. Abato komisan. Ye maame Jane Aduke Mensa. Wono na abato komisan titire ni. Na maame na maka beba ne so. Na we ni menka ne bebre. Ohwe ballot papers na ye de call various regions. Na bia call constituency na. Ye kai se de na call ahafo region, any voter region. Ye nya serialization errors. Now, ballot papers are ewe se call eastern and western no so no. Serialization error as how care bio. Ene enke special voting ema yen sem for any security officers any nkofo bi ekeka ho. Na so special voting no eastern western entimi nye possible. Ni nyina ne say abato komisan enka atoko print ya equal eastern and western no. Chematie bi aba ho. Eno yasema ene edaba maso a mene abedwafo no ebesi nkonya adiscase. Na ye maame Professor Jane Nana Opoku Agyeman NDC vice presidential candidate. Na ono so ebu entoaboso ano nam akoso mo eba Greater Accra region. Na mra onam kwa so no fofi anto ata na ne car wode kɔ no amanfo kɔ atake na omototototo ema ene moba ebobobo ni screen nim. Sabe the Ghana Police Service probe or investigation. We so asema yadaba maso a anope meni abedwafo no ebesi nkonya na yadwendwe ho. Say our political leaders eduru emra this critical movement or moment they need a tight security. Enkase obia enye ohwe na wonim enipatrim. Now so wabo trimupo say this presidential candidate or vice presidential candidate any other person bia no ubedi ninya ewa bra ye kodina simpie so ato aba sisa wadwen na sa wotene won sa baako ehwe unua so a ene aka no ehwe wo so. So don't be wicked or diabolic. Ye nyina ntimi nkwa MPP, ye nyina ntimi nkwa NDC, ye nyina ntimi nkwa Cheda anase gum wo MPP wo NDC a eyobia ne na adwen. Eyobia ne na adwen. Samuel Ebuginapo ene John Ebuginapo omo ye nuafo. Samuel Ebuginapo ewo MPP, John Ebuginapo ewo NDC. Omo nyina omo nim de omo pe eti na we yakodi ha enye wani su nyansafo me maka se wo ye sofo se wo ye ohene se wo ye nsemtroni na obeka se obitu abama MPP ana obitu abama NDC anase guma ne nipa no sabi wonim nyansa anase wagini no mo amokeka sabi sa nkwase asem no sa ensemfo no munya aka na mo amoka sa ansem no mo ye very super lunatic and insane mo jimi abodam. So odi sheba kwa spoke mi peguma unim nyansa nche me e me kan kire me say ade na me wogum ana me wo NDC mo amoye tabula rastas no mo ahwe ni ma adwen mu no mo na sabi ya mo keka super lunatic and insane comments a unye nipa unim nyansa nche obi etu ya sofo me respect o ya hemfo o ya ohene o ya ohema o ya nsemtroni o ya political party member or ya politician me respect na emum o kan sabi sa nkwase akasa Jimmy Kasa se wa beto abama MPP anase NDC no na sabi unim nyansa o se nipa no you are very super lunatic and insane wa Jimmy abodam na ensem no na watwim de atwagu ye no me behwie baako mienu miensa agu abama no so ede ama wo so onya bi hwe. This is Evidence Morning Show, Evidence Global Morning Show. Yetumra ni akire esie TV visuals so the ebe kan bia no e wase ama evidence. It's evidence based global political show willy nilly whether you like it or yes anopay aha na dodo na agebra omutie na from the camp of MPP Ken Kwadwo Ebubada bema ni munyamfo iba be kensa ne ye no esinkonwa adwendwen oma konkron Ghana empuntuo sanso na ukopiem ewo NDC eyezu eza chinye amanyoko no ma Yenua Darren Pra Jackson. Darren Pra Jackson. NDC Regional Communication Team no be man munyamfo odi mu ntintima ye pa mini Jackson kosia baabi amanfo se ada ye ntafo ana ene Jackson beba se amanfo se mini Jackson yes pa okay na ehwe nsem ba akomienu a esi ewo man Ghana mu hai na afi no memra abato commission eso causing financial loss to the state meba no so na otekrare ene brare ngoma so His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Osietutu a otoso mienu Krobia Asante Kotoko hene Nana akasa Nana no pay yese Onyankopon enkwa tenten e de ma wo yenchia Krobia Asante Kotoko hene enchia no sere enkwa tenten e ma no na yekomna ahye bedwafi a MPP se womo na yedom kese NDC se womo na yedom kese ama saa mentime ho asi saa brekura de tintontan na ahye bedwafie no yatum na Krobia Asante Kotoko akasa se saa nsem na ekoso no enye ade papa esa political crisis eno man Ghana yenya abusuafo yentie His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Osietutu a otoso mienu Asante Kotoko hene emra sisiye
agreement to Parliament. We expect them to engage in rigorous debate, but we also expect them to be able to reconcile conflicting opinions, have the good sense to recognize the point at which litigation becomes self-serving and valueless, and decisions become obligatory. Our legislators cannot trash the lessons of our history and expect to retain their honor among the people. This is the worst possible time to put our nation through this drama. In the first place, our democracy has not developed the resilience which can sustain a prolonged political crisis. Secondly, like many countries in the post-COVID world, our economy is not in the best shape. Whoever wins this election is going to have a battle on his hands to rejuvenate the economy. Every individual engaged in the current electoral process must be aware, and every voter in Ghana must know that whoever wins must be able to hit the ground running or risk the danger of a revolution of shattered dreams.
So we His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Osietutu a otoso mienu Asante Kotoko hene ena menteme ho ase a ekoso wo mra hye bedwafie no ono so ede na no atum na yewra His Excellency Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo wono ena ye Ghana mampani eno ada wakasa Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo say election 2024 7 December Ghana fo nyina ye kodina simpie so ato aba no wono se wo ye Ghana mampani no obehwe se asomdwie beba na Ghana fo nyina yenso yempre asomdwie abusuafo yentie yewra His Excellency Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo.
Governance on our continent, they talk about Ghana. And on Saturday, we're going to get another opportunity, the ninth opportunity we had, to demonstrate to the world that indeed we understand what democratic government is about. That every few years, the people are given the opportunity to decide who will rule and govern them in their name. So that is going to happen again this Saturday. I am appealing to all of you, the Electoral Commission, the security services, the government, have all made arrangements to make sure that everything goes peacefully and properly. To you to make sure that what happens here next Saturday.
Any day pass way yewra His Excellency Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo wo se nyame adoma me menda bato na yekoto no obehwe se asomdwie ebekoso ewo man Ghana ma sanso na wo se Ghana fo nyina se ye nyina ye mo ye homoden se ye bema asomdwie aba na Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo na onam 2016 na wo bontoa 2020 no wo bontoa no o se Nyankopon bo se obesi cathedral de amano baby a onankasa obeboa amayatontum Awurade na eyona ne bohye yante anka ankosoro anso ena na Adodankwa Akufo-Addo yete sa afede o de Ghana ska ena esi National Cathedral sa be de National Cathedral no esi ho a anwe ne se na middleman agent a wono wo hwese ebenya sika ewo enkofo aman so no wo koyela la sula la man no onya sika ne bi mai enso sika be se $600 million there agent yi age na Shraj wɔn nso saa abere deɛ wɔn de petition akɔma Attorney General sɛ onimonyamfo Reverend Victor Kwesi Boateng a wɔn ɛna secretary Emma Board of Trustee a National Cathedral so no saa abere deɛ bɛma animonyamfo yi Shraj for sɛ onkopiem Attorney General Godfrey yɛbo adame aso na yɛnyɛ ne nsɛm no mu nhwehwɛ mu na ɔmo so sɛ dream ɛne ketaahye bi ɛbombɔn dwumadi a odin na onimonyamfo Samuel Okudzeto Abraka North Tom na hyebedwani National Cathedral nsɛm wɔsɛ na Nado Dankwa Akufo-Addo abɔ tememfo a ɛwɔ manga ne mu akaye pa $58 million yɛma na Nado Dankwa Akufo-Addo entua abusuafo yentie Samuel Okudzeto Abraka
did that work and they need $50 million. Who is going to pay for all of these replacements? So look, this matter, I think that the reverend ministers have become scapegoats. The person who must be held responsible, who must be surcharged, who must be made to pay not only for the $58 million, but the hundreds of millions of dollars coming out of compensation claims, compensation demands for the demolition of properties is President Akufo-Addo.
So wey onimonyamfo Samuel Okudzeto Abraka North Tom na hyebedwani no wɔsɛ na Nado Dankwa Akufo-Addo wabɔ ɔman kronkron Ghana ka $58 million deɛ bɔmmɔden asɛ ubetua ɛde ama tememfo ansa ɛna wakɔ na yewura John Dramani Mahama His Excellency Gonja Adehye kronkron wɔno na memenda bato yɛ ɛkɔto yi okura franka ɛde ama NDC Chinye Amanyɔkuo na wɔde nsɛm bi ato dwa sɛ MPP osu kokoko Amanyɔkuo aban isu die unemployment tememfo a enya adwuma nya no akɔsoro dodo abusuafo yentie His Excellency John Dramani Mahama emra sisiye
NDC wo ho na dia refer na unemployment rate na 8.4% and then now MPP better so unemployment rate a pega from 8.4% according to 14.7%. Se ba omi abeka se ono ba ama mabuna nyedwuma ya ene me hu se entro enodi if you say fie wotwe omumum ena asay edwuma bebre na bank bebre eye edwuma banks 10 banks enomagu no savings and loans companies more almost 200 enomagu no
wey yewura His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Gonja Adehye kronkron be mani monyamfo 10 gram ahofedua wono na 7 December memenda about to ekotue okura franka ediama NDC Chinye Amanyɔkuo no wɔse unemployment rate and Nana Bawumia administration akɔsoro yie pa na onimonyamfo Professor Kwabena Frimpong Boateng ene interministerial committee be mani monyamfo yi wono na omutitinani na osai enkane soafo a na ohwe abode a onyankopon ede adomye so na papa yi ede ensem bi atodwa se yehwe abibimemu apa leaders pa wo man kasa omoye selfless no ebi ni abibimemu a abusuafo yentie no emra sisiye
a very, very long time. This is not recent. Not only Ghana, but Africa as a whole. We haven't had that kind of focused, dedicated leadership prepared to sacrifice for the unborn generation. It hasn't happened. And we should, and sometimes we don't even consider character. Ghana, we don't consider character. We see people who have bad character, we think that when they become president or leaders, they'll change. No, this country will mean sacrificing, That it's not you and your family that should enjoy, make money, disrespect us, and then expect us to worship you. No. Corruption that you don't want to mention in public. It's a worry. I don't think important gifts always.
Any day cross way, I have many munyamfo Professor Kwabena Frimpong Boateng, and was say ebibimemu apa de leaders pa omokon e de amatememfo a ewo ebibimemu apa de dabi yenya bikitahye ene proye e na adokrom na ebusuafo wei ene ensem ba akomienu miensa over the weekends no esi ya yagebra ye de abrɛ e ko one morning show so e wo Kumawood anase home team so For our drink children bra SMS and answer WhatsApp. Pabra 0243 12 36 46. 0243 12 36 46. Facebook Kumewu TV. Afen so odehye ba kwaku edisipoku. Me Facebook wall no so no ubetimi de wadwen kire aba. Wo de ba manene very polite, matured and also very snappy. Enya ne tintin bia emetro teases bia anye dey e ma no ha no. Once again, text line no SMS and our WhatsApp 0243 12 36 46. 0243 12 36 46. O pese o best sponsor the best global morning show so a o fresh line so a empanifo so e no be dey e be kasa bra for dwa ton de e bra aha e na ade fa amanfo e be bo akache enu aba bedi etwa na ya maami je na adukwe mensa e abato komisan titre ni enu adabe 3 o'clock going oye nsemtrofo enhia mudie na nsemtrofo enhia mudie na woye ye no ene say ballot papers are echo various regions na bi echo various constituencies no obekaya be a month ago na de na echo voter region ene afọ region die no serialization error ebi baaye na enu anso ya maami je adukwe mensa edi nsem bia ba betuja say ballot papers are echo eastern region and western region no the same serialization errors no ebi asa okay continuous recurrent serialization errors abato komisan ene eka ye maami jin adukwe mensa abusuafo ye ntie no mra enu ada wo ye ensemtrofo enhia mudie
key and committed to ensure the integrity of all our processes, from the registration all the way through to the election and the declaration. We are of the view that this is important, that in spite of the fact that it was one ballot paper taken out, it is important that we call for a reprint to guarantee and ensure the integrity of the elections. And we call on the citizens of Ghana to support us in our effort to guarantee the integrity of the election. The Commission will engage 3 media houses in the light of the limited time, 3 printing houses in the light of the limited time to print the ballots for the 2 regions. And they are the arts, commercials, back press, and InnoLink. We have information will be provided, of course, to the political parties, but I think the decision has been taken for back press to print ballots from the Western region.
Wey ya maami jen adukwe mensa maka ewo efidikesi so we are also live on Kumewu Digital and afi Kumewu Plus and so ye so the best global morning show Kowa morning show no ubenye Kuma Plus Kumewu so digital okọ no ma ubenya and afi so kra no Facebook odehye ba kwaku edisipoku anase Kumewu TV ye maami jen adukwe mensa maka nene mesa aka bio oba ne ho ofe kakra na wabon etise jen adukwe mensa me hu bi da maame no a discourage me the willingness the commitment the readiness me wo se beto aba me menda na hwe ya me nto wogu manim ase oba ho ofe kakra sei no wasa abon wogu manim ase last me ka so ho ofe but mate ahun ofe no so ayi kakra oba ho ofe kakra sei ya wabon wo aye yehu de na wo kire Jenadu Kremensa, are you serious? Ghana do akoma so. Mi busao. Jen adu Kremensa. Ghana do akoma so. You are not serious. You are very super incompetent. Incompetent cube. Raised to the power 3. Wapon. Yenya doctor Kwabia Ferejanyo as EC chairman. Yenya Charlotte Osei. What they do so? Mate so say lawyer kra. Hey, anye o law degree ni dia baby a wonya ane de minim se wo try exam so one try exam dia minim wabon. I must be frank with you. I must be candid and sincere with you. Wabon. Tabula rasta medically you ka say tabula rasta we ne de omne swa e wo form Jane Adukwe Mensah who ya tabula rasta ha born wa born sa no serialization errors you are not serious the eco volta region say ABC yahye no the eco afro region ABC yahye no the eco eastern region enu a wa be nsem trofo nhie mu the eco western region Jane, are you serious? 87 Afuka. Some may come Memphis Central. Akotuaba. As a special voter. No masa sayaba. You are not serious. We are criminal. I was a NIB. National Investigation Bureau. On which I will say mu. I was a SHRAD. I will say mu. I was a Attorney General. I will say mu. Now these institutions no clients are no money. OSP, Yamano Kwama and Yenajuma. It will call Kurana, taxpayers' money, and yes, I waste. Jen, Adukwe Mensah. What pong? What fairly Ghana for? Ah! Me pacho! Say what the yakwa printing press? Say Jen Adukwe Mensah, yam printing out, na error about bet yakana. Will you pay? Unjia. Meaning is so bet ya. 84 regions. A ballot papers. Because of serialization errors. Yes, I have printed for flow. Yeah, question. Yeah, printing for flow. We are criminal. We are very wicked and diabolic. 2 Timothy 4:14. Was Abraham Pobre don't funny ya me boni bebre. No Yakupon chia ne kase de nyuma tie. Jen Adukwe Mensah. 2 Timothy 4:14 and opemi di jawo. Wa booma Ghana ka. Causing financial loss to the state. Causing financial loss to the state. Says can improve botomo. Jobe kebi a budget, Jobe kobi a de bema. We are very wicked and diabolic. We are demon. Jen Adukwe Mensah. We are very demon. They are barbaric, primitive, uncultured, uncool, inclusive. We are super incompetent. Sir, and no oma misika, and no papesika, and no krusika. Ye question. 2 Timothy 4:14. Abraham Pobre John 4 no ye me boni bebre. Jane Adukwe Mensah Ghana for boni bebre. Anopo Nyankopon tua ne ka. Say the university. We are wudi for, we are wudi ni ba. Mentu aba no. Me fasting, me pompaye etia wo. Unuma wo ye nyina woni begu ase. Ansa na wa sorry. You mark my words today. And na 2nd December. Woni begu ase. Ansa na do dwumadi abawiye. Na nim gu ase no kra na aba no. Nyankopon. Ah, ye wo hanom na abeka ansem hunu. Say these machines enyerai, computers enyerai. Opposition party NDC ebeka asa 7 e na ira. Afi de mobile bonten beka asa nya nokre. Afi de ho na beka asa 5. You are not serious. 5 e pound. Una ma soldiers be say 20 e na di wachi. East office. Ye nya soldiers e mo ho ban on. Ye japade na egu east office no. Ye nya asrafo mo ho ban. O kwa 20 na di wachi. Na ndiyama kode. Aha, enam dia se medi kan besie. Na ade na otwimi wo so. Na producers yemfa afrafo be se enum bi. Aha, phone lines no. Mo betimi de atu screen so e de ama me. But betimi afre 0243 no so fry be fa. 020 2668 461 020 2668 461 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46 020 268 461. And sama yedi atuja in a polite, matured manner. Ubetimi at the wadrenchere aba. 0202668 461 0243 12 36 46. Hello, I need your class. Udini baby akasafri. Hello? Okay, yeah, remember here MTN no Eddie Amami CCA. 024312 text I. Hello, I need your class. Mpacho Udini baby akasafri.
Good morning, I just say.
Openikasi I need your class. Mo na so e.
We be aboko.
Wadrenchere.
Me so much mo ka American say. So you mun opportunity no. E be try TV so a. Wa hu. Aya mo ka asem a. Wo de omo ye mpanifo ma me ko wanyi sun o. Adwuma bie ne ho a mistake ni mu. E mistake na ba mu no. Na de odi akosa na wa ma gidigidi esi wo ho ana. Ese odi ma me na ya betina wa de. Gidi na tempo. After the game so ye mistake 27 fellow or can no president Supreme Court. Wow. And you be anyone a president. President mistake. And you mistake na pa na ni pa no collectia. No one say betina na say who dis you. Okay, can pass so wo dey.
Mistake no who say do so. And na man for us man for nya kwanya to aba. O mu ntimi to aba. Next call Udini baby akasafri. Hello? Me pa choma TV ni nko for Udini baby akasafri. Hello?
Hello.
Me pa choma Udini baby akasafri.
This is Emmanuel.
Me pa choma neso kakrai.
Hello.
Me pa choma yanko wa wadwenchere.
Ayo, okay. Offend Papa Nazo can because you know that the me be you are major and orchard.
Okay. Next call Udini baby akasafri. Hello? 0202668461 0243 12 36 46. Next call Udini baby akasafri.
Macho kasafri amanya.
Okay. Openikasi wadwenchere.
Macho de papa no bekasara uni.
Hello?
Kasafri amanya. Macho papa no bekasara na ade wo piano. Hello.
Biti openi yanko.
Is it papa no bekasara e piano?
Aha. Me pa cho say.
Papa no bekasara e piano.
O chere na adwun tudi openi chere wa adwun yanko.
Mi ya da kwa.
Ya ni Ghana ne wo wo. Hello? 0202668461 0243 12 36 46. Next call Udini baby akasafri. Hello?
Hello.
Me pa cho Udini baby akasafri.
Good morning. Me de Razak me Kasafi ke post.
Openikasi ani de kwa so adwenchere.
Me that's it. Obi mine.
Hello? Hello?
Can I say answer biani? I say who did the woman nothing. You are right to say whatever you want to say.
Fantastic.
Yes. Mami no on kind of say who did the woman nothing. You are right to say whatever you want to say. Yes. Because what can someone we now what I can have it now can for. Let's assume you say ade na almost so question so mo ntimi anhye no na say almost de kwhye baby na say be to aba na o de be hye mu a ye be de na ye hu
e be du saki de be ka say so pa ntimi to aba
na kwhye kan na say o hye ho ke kan say wa be na o de na tell no wa be na man you are right na wo ye no me waso ankasa.
Okay, next call Udini baby akasafri. Hello? 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46 020266 461. Next call Udini baby akasafri.
Yeah, me Philip me kasafri so.
Okay.
Yo. Me say yen Ghana for ankasa no yen pelu pressure.
Yampa no kro kra.
Pelu pressure o kan no kra na o wa ko ye. Oh, nipa ya de na enye ba fo enye mienu.
Atofo 9.
Ye can want some more bit in our say, who did you atom at the beginning anyway?
We knew be at him.
Yamisha, Namunim would do my fan for my no money issue for my.
Ami. Next call Audini baby akasa free. Hello? 020268 461 020268 461 0243 12 36 46. Next call Audini baby akasa free. Okay, open the case you are doing today.
Imagine for the Abba, Kano, ATM, Abba. But the one thing I'm to pressure your funny peace. And the best, with opportunity, yes, Nanka, yeah.
Okay. Next call Audini baby akasa free. If I'm sure I'm checking last, my man take callers name seven no more can ye. Sound on us moon page kakao studio hamami. Next call Audini baby akasa free.
But Reverend Prophet Adam Kwame.
Reverend Pacho ni dey kwa so adwen kire.
Open Timpacho. Yama ne oda isi ane. To mo penti da to mo check in na. Every good thing say bra ya ba betri aba. Na fe na mo hu say mistake wa nti e ko
Amanfo afoka enen komo koto aba.
Edu me bi o ma na etinye si o ma da. Ye do mo to ne ma no. Mo check in na ye. Every ne be du no. Afa na obeni si be si. Ye pempe no fona cho. Ani bie mu ankasa. Ye buo ye do won. Dem ju not do. Ani chede agedi no man mu nipa. Do me bi a we na nye ye na we agina ko isi ya ko. Ye chudwe na e ka no. We betu a break peace. The administrative, yes, no more. I want to near my mind. Let there be a sujeno and let my brother. I'm
a reverend. Next call Audini baby akasa free.
Hello?
The Pacho Audini baby akasa free. Need your pass my TV in conform.
Me Francis who are crabble.
Open the case here. Audini wa adwen kire.
But me didi agitated.
Okay. What TV in conform you tie wa adwen kire opening.
Me Pacho, you asem a odi no. O ma sabi o ma pani kufo o hu ni an yisi ni gusu ye de.
Oh, the TV no man nko from opening case here. Next call Audini baby akasa free e from yan sapa kan. Next call Audini baby akasa free.
Hello, me kasa free kaso ame de Pastor Nkrumah.
Opening case here pastor wa adwen kire.
Imagine say oman no enko ye nyina fe ni pa boni bi e wo oman ni mu a. Say enema enko ye na enko ye na ka. Wo mu gina tiri na omo soso.
Omo si yanke ya.
Oman ni be da koso. Abi e koso ni nye. O ke kan obi so on so. Da oman ni be da ko ye ni.
Yanka hwan na be ka.
Ye timamfo no. Ye na ya ma ne ma no empanifo no so ye sa. Tia sisira family kan be na nipa no so onya de papa
name na name okay nyamisha pastor next call Audini baby akasa free. Hello yeah fafre for me no account 0202668461 0202668461 024312 3646 next call Audini baby akasa free.
Pacham me dia amachi mukesesi kaswa.
Open case wa don chire.
Pacham man na oba na o di bi atam na intini na ju ayeji sabi mo man kan no kwa na obesi na nye ejimu su ye tinya afa kaso aba.
Open say 4 regions. Why the na me bo ase yo. Enu best watch na. Yes 2 regions and so the eye dey. Asa say.
No, we share. We are the papa no. Ni pa na ya de na ti sabe o ye na en ya. Ni pa no obede no wa ye edman na ye.
Okay. Yeah, that's Nyamisha. Last call and Pacho Audini baby akasa free. Hello?
Good morning.
Morning boss, Pacho Audini baby akasa free.
Mutasa Peter Prade.
Open Cassia Waduntre.
Me kakra kan say eya kasa na edo so dodo. O ma mu ye kasa do tuma. Ta na ya ma eyi ntontrefo ya mukuriya ebi bebi o a. Ni gotom ni ya no a me cheti bi so no ka de ofe. Wo zo na ma grata yitim na egu ba ni say. Eya yen kambo na yen kasa na edo so o ma ntuma.
By any asset,
MPP never mind schedule. NDC should never mind schedule.
Yeah.
MPP by all your mobile money movie. NDC by your mobile money movie. Ultima Munin, the Mohammed Nayagma. Then you go to. I'm going to politics. Now, your politics, my president, yes,
politics ya nyansen me bia na wo ye yo. Nyansen nim so wafre kasa. Eno so afiri. Ade ya nyansen nim sanka wani eni akiro. Last call Audini baby akasa free.
Hello.
Hello boss mpacha Audini baby akasa free.
Me din di tell am ka so ka no.
Papa ni kasi ni dey kwan so ade nkyere.
Ma yin ka na o ba ya tem. Ono no pa kire ade na ya no de mo ka sa ni de woni ade. O ba mi ta ko ne de ya ko to ta. Ndi ya ya. Yo ko to ta ko. Enti de mo ya pra baba.
Ye da se. Nyame hira o. Emre papem no ye nya be se 5 minutes ai be wi show na. Ye be hwese be fa afrefo ba ko mienu miensa bi nso asa kan we the best global political show. Aha ena no pe obi agebra otie na wo sa hwe. O ye MPP ni a ma men kan kire o. Me ye MPP ni che o. O ye NDC ni a ma men kan NDC ni nyamfa so wo mu eche o. Enti ye ba ne ye be kasa emeye se ye be ye MPP sem ye be ye NDC sem. Na me se me metena TV so metena radio so aye MPP adwuma anase NDC adwuma ka you lie bad yo be ka bi enu amintimi nka bi nkire ye to ye bo asne a research ne esu ande ye wo ye nenye they say 4 regions and yenya problem yenya ha for region and awante yenya voter region serialization errors yenya western enya eastern 4 regions less than a week ye koto aba and was abe ensem trofo enhia mudie no kasa Ashanti region so de no chemate oba ho aye be dey ye nhwe ma ne nsei ye nhwe e ma ne nsei wo de 1 pp ni 1 dis no fa hye ubotom why na sa ohaw breakere ya abato komisan ye ma me gen adukwe mensa akofa abe eye doctor omane boama won na director of election Emma NDC eno nyonyamfo Evans Nyako director of election Emma MPP sampanifo yi mienu kasai eni die nu obo kwan so ye nti omu nyina emra sima ba ko mienu sisi ye na mema mabedwafo na kwa aba ne mfa dwumadie no enhyehye so
I think for us as New Patriotic Party, we've always been on the table with other stakeholders to ensure that we have programs that will give us a peaceful elections, meaning that at any stage of the process, we have to be on the same page. And this afternoon's decision by the Electoral Commission is a very difficult one. And that goes to say that democracy is expensive. One ballot paper that slipped and has been found and reported by the National Security is calling for the reprint of all ballots in Eastern and Western region. It's a very expensive exercise. We would have disagreed because at any point in time, there are agents of political parties. The EC officials are at post, as well as the printing house staff and all that. But here we are.
Not have been found in this manner. Could it be that people wanted it to study the features so they could replicate? This is why we wholeheartedly endorse the banning of the eastern and the western region ballot reflects one, reprinting by different printing houses, not the same printing house checkpoints. And in fact, as I said in the meeting, in 2008, I was supervising printing of ballot papers and we had an issue with checkpoint as a party. History is just repeating itself. What is sad is the fact that security personnel, media,
So ote onumnyamfo Evans Nimako wono na ye director of election Emma MPP Osono Kokroko Amanyuku no sanso na ote onumnyamfo Dr. Omane Boama enso enka wono so director of election Emma NDC Chinye Amanyuku na sabre de minua Darren Pra Jackson anopay obegyinam de ama NDC Chinye Amanyuku be mani munyamfo yi NDC communication team no odi mu entintima ye pa sanso no manyamfo Ken Kwadwo Ebubada Ken Kwadwo Ebubada ono so ye MPP communication team member senior good morning
yanu ya bema
na me pa twa pom ye de
adumwa pom de eye na manya kwanya ba fidi su na machia bema boada bema ni manyamfo bema odi kudwa ye ton bema ye to ba kwa esa de ba ko to no so sanse na ni manyam na dwempa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama enra wo be shi Kumasi na wo twi nyina wo Kumasi Ashanti region enra ye ma Kumasi ye Bumfete Kumasi Bunkami MPP 40 see e ba be ye mega victory to work no
okay
omo ye all night omo aso ahun nyina hwe eyi wo afi do mo dwane to nyame nso se ne doba ne John Mahama nti omo trans anadwo ne nyina ma ade eche anso
so Dr. Bawumiako adunche ho no
okwadunche ho ana omo so be bode mu atosu okwadunche ho na MPP fo so bode mu atosu omo de hia no wo ba ya ebuabo nti John Dramani Mahama ne wo ba nkofo se enkukọ nkete wo ni ihunumu nti woka policy na wanka free ya enye policy enipa bi ni enu mbuga na ase woka free woka social intervention program na wanfa free anhye mu a enye social intervention
so mo si free enya de papa
debio wo no ya di free na edibu onkwasea wo pese wo bu MPP ni kwasea aje se wo di free ta ho wanfa free anta mo no bedi achi wo di free hye ho pe ubenya na bu no wo mo adwene nyina ye free obewie no abo akire ka we nyansa dodo
okay
ti John Mahama say wo de nkukọ nkete no wa wuni baabi te baabi a wotie wuni obi ti uti compound house ubena waye wo mo e woda bre e wo place within their place of abode ye ka place of abode baabi a wotie wo woda bre na wo fie ran hawa ana wo baabi te bi eni ade
okay
na wada age a
ye be wura mo yi fa
minim sa mo ene ye say wo pese wo ye poultry farmer ko pass ase ya betimi di aye na poultry farm say enye ni kuro mfimfin
dabi
niemo as yen so wase niema onkuko 120 kuko 300 for starting kakran MPP wo mu pani ba ko yo mu foreign father papa yi enkuko da akun megua so lo kan MPP Dako Farms
na enkuko da akun
ezan ye friend
okay
Dako Farms ayen enkuko Boris B wo mu nyina enkuko nkete wo mu de sha ase ene yesi ye rolling out amienya ye de enkuko nkete aba na abu ama mrantie bia ba ye kuku dam to say Boris B ya MPP for say enye enso mu di nkuko hu sika won ko party omo we nkuko
MPP for say enye enso omu di enkukọ ehun sika omukọ party meeting a eno na
Omori
Jackson ena busuafo otenika na yenwa the main topics for discussion Abattoir Commission continuous serialization error frequent serialization errors the eco voter region anyhow for region be 2-3 weeks the same thing the eco eastern and western and down so almost say the same serialization errors no ebi asa okay so Abattoir Commission from archaeology to zoology from Genesis to Revelation omo readiness Omo preparedness. Would you see a better credible election for 7 December?
Near Egga Quaidie. Me doubt kakra. Me doubt ye pa. Egga Quay. I doubt. Na Wadaruma. Aminchia. Mahefo kakra.
Okay.
Team Fearless. Ewo Oforikum constituency.
Team Fearless.
Team Fearless.
Hey.
We are Tadi Eshemia. No. Team Fearless. Ewo Oforikum constituency. Yen ena ya ye door to door. Ama emia bebree ashasi Asia. Ya ko door to door. Oforikum yen nam Eja Zungu, Eja West. Gidi pa. Ya ma afa MPP for the portability ko fa ba ekofa Samira ba umia ebo Oforikum. Because na omu bi da cha NDC for pa yen brande a yen tade ni ehye ene de kwa abonten enti me chia Team Fearless for ni mo ni adwuma amaye ene enra asoso adwuma e koyeye ewo asonse work to do victory no me champagne phone na me da team members ni kuruma nyina me do mo ase ene mra munyaye ene koyeye se adwuma wi yimure electoral commission ye wo kenyina eye tactical ploy wontumi beka che say MPP one more 1,000 ways of winning an election. And I know the ruling government. Abai we ba ne niema waye wo electoral commission kwa bebu opin wi. Yes, an independent institution. Wo bu ama patu mu aye fine from the days of AC crap. Eba besi Charlotte say ye hu yi sia wo aba wo abon chain we da. So if you want to put Bosman Asare, put Sebu Akwaku, put Apia Hene, put
Banobio Kwako.
Banobio.
Ashanti Regional Director.
Very good. Banobio. That's how put Wekako. One no Jane Mensa na Kaku. One mun their competence level, one more than more endu. One more competence level endu Charlotte say. Na campus one could do a medu suli. So as I got MPP in the phone ni moi, one nim the phone in one number.
Are they used for
MPP before? I'm the catcher.
Hey, independent no.
Independent name appear here when you communicator. MMPP appear here when you communicate MMPP. I was sunyai. Dr. Sebu Akwaku.
So where they can Ghana?
Oh, Ghana ni. Dabi tie Ghana ni ebe for adwuma no. Ye bu nkonpon ko hwe ba bia wo kwatena no ye for party person ko. Tini ye wonkrofo bia omu ni party no.
To bia so to aba
o to aba oni party obeka say munye bibia no wo girem. Defending the stand of a political party. It means you're a party member. Me ti ko obi anim say me ye NDC ni.
Sure.
Me boa.
Sure.
E kire baba Yesi Jackson and ye EC chair. If you don't have the competence, would you say one na adwene munye ni fine. Enti MPP amanyoko we amanyoko bia. Ye kan nim di for pass ye fa nim die ni nyansa nya adwuma. Abo hwa economy ni aye. Wamudu wamunko fokogu Ministry of Omnikogu Economic Department. Edi na esi. Head the dollar aye. Enti isi no appointed by Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo. Apia hine appointed by Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo. Dr. Sebu Akwaku no waye Dr. Sebu Akwaku MPP ni. Bosman Asare. Won ko no waye Tescom for patron University of Ghana.
So we now have more winning.
Me say tie me.
Why you more winning election pen?
Tie me. One say omu debut, omu wo ho. One dey Akufo-Addo ba no 20.1. Akufo-Addo na 20.1. No mo na 1 year winning election. Obi a won a political party or trouble man. But ubeye known be you
when you
me say. One Charlotte say so political party bi. Ye fa nipa o wonim de Ni nipa e party ni a wa bone. We mu de no mu bon yo. Wa bone. Beyond the bon. I'm sure say e ni da ho nti uba bon. On the
force e bon.
You see on the face of adwebone e wo tim nti uba bon. Nyansa ntimi nya adwuma. Wonim de ntimi nya adwuma so de na besi. Enti eye Nana Akufo-Addo. E wa dwen say wo mu so mo hand overpower da. So system on the begu akwan mu ebe ma yen Timamu phone yempo ombeyi ni omo pe ahye ye kon no ene omo ye no
Okay.
isi a wotimi twa letter ma NDC for se baba mi ti anajo 9 na wasa de sa letter kro na ma MPP ni other parties ye beba anopa 9 ye bedu ha anajo 9 no na mi ti omo ye na anopa electoral commissioner me ba na wo kan se bi wo wa soldier for na ebo ne ho ban wo nya police
Sure.
ewi asigan na ha wo bi mu ade kwa na soldier for fichi mebua wotimi tia obi ebi aka ye drive wotimi tia obi driver bi o ti bo careless wo foko no be no we soldier atade obu safe wa hu nyina afọ waka asem afọ na wo pache wo mu ade se krama mu ade kwa na nya borega dwom nya na nka asehini table so na krama bedwa nanu pacho mebua enu nti Ghana fo mu ade kra na ye twi no kra na enye ya soldier fo so we respect them, we fear them.
Okay.
Wamu na ebo isi. Dabre humbai. Ya nkwati a. Electoral commissioner soldier sigu hono. Kwamfutetu amwetimi akowia laptop. Maaku 7. Ya kaka ya musu obi anwi ahwe. Ya bomuja the evidence ba ya to muse 5.
Muse 5.
5
We okoko bisi menka.
Menka 5 ayira. Baby a soldier fo guo 5 ayira.
Pen.
Baby a soldier fo guo 5 ayira. Na nyame wanwa aban we kwaji no so wo de ba betua kwa foka now sika na da account no 1.2 billion ayira I'm a board member do free Richard Nyama ko kan Metro TV say I have a problem with my government but what must say enti nyama wo mu ye nyinara efi da ye twetwedi ya nkoche nkrofo bi e wa adwura ya no wo mu ni yisi for e register nkrofo e wo dem ye wie ya nsa nkote EC ne regional directors no ba ko a wono hye ba bie o hye northern region na oye transfer wa bro obi anim
Muso man suspension kakra.
there be o ekeni pa hunu NDC fo ni nteteteta ko hu a ka dan ya beto aba no ya be ko no obi ho ye yi ni dia kotumu wo kuma se de enso se won kotumu tumu police station be 200 wo hoi e fa na wo ko
No be china bre.
uchin ko ha ana uko ba bia so ye hwem nwie na odi ni mu na uko ha na wo mre kwatra so an agenda to frustrate the citizenry from voting one why your man say akwaya hudro bebre and one bedam so but the shanken rade say NDC amanuko ye need a ho to the extent say wo be die dia boni bia commission ye bia NDC chino. We are the masters of election. Ye NDC for ye manage election affair and some MPP for ba. Akwa nsin wo wura. Akwa onsin ni wura. Eti MPP for ntimi nye ebu katada. I just say ye nkofo ni bi ema ho kwan. But as we
okay.
May come again ni bi enya rehye say. Electoral commission abo na adwen po. So obe wi abanima mu NPP. Now so yen
okay.
Yen mani sida and we will forever protect the ballot. Me catch on say one say easy boni bi a wadi bi ya cha no. Ne niema bi a waye na ni da ho conscionable or unconscionable nya ya cha no. Otimi yen sa se na ni afa so ni a cha no. Me ba cho me de manu si say wada bi me catch again ni bi a say wo dada na yen ya fa nipa mako 300,000 NDC ya wamrante ne mabawa 300,000 a wamudi MPP any EC any police nyina ntente we are monitoring every fact me say panye krato for mo a ye beti nya no mokofa akwa bi afri nkan ba say akofa akwa bi afri US aba say o me haki electro won before akwani be dura poda Kevin Taylor kulem
okay
Jamaican say MPP amanuko Ghana ni bi anya huntoso say what pro woman pay they are going into opposition about the Ghana for this idea we utimi nya won hwe
abusuafo any dey pan so onimonyamfo Jackson pra na watching in Kano we say Ghana for MPP for mumpo NDC 7 December election no omo ewie emfa ho ene de mo be bia kubetimi de wadwen kire aba 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46. A WhatsApp message and a normal SMS message. And Fabra, man, very polite and matured. He made the attempt. Na me maka, me see me show so there. Who did the attempt? Wan kasa beti bi ayo. Eni opa me mfre. Me nso ma se frɛ. Na afrɛ na aso be di the attempt dia. Eni wan kasa beti bi ahua. Message no de bana ya attempt di dia me read. Na me wi na me so man be jaw. Wo de the amount. So we are being polite and mature show. Ye nhwe mane nsɛe. Ghana nsɛm ne ye ka. Ye nka MPP sɛm. Ye nka NDC sɛm. Woyɛ na woyɛ ne ya ye bɛbo aba so. Ebi a abato komisan. Ebi a ɛdɔfo ana ebi a ne nua baa bi. Ye nsoma adwuma na ɔyɛ no. Enye Jemensa family company adwuma na ɔyɛ. Ghana adwuma na ɔyɛ. Se yewura Dr. Baumia ebenya kwan na obetena akwanya Ghana akonya so a enye na busua adwuma na ɔyɛ Ghana adwuma. Sanso na yewura John Dramani Mahama His Excellency Ghana for to abama na Ghana adwuma na ɔbɛnya ne company adwuma. Chada na afi Alankwadwo Kyerɛ Martin wo mu nyina Ghana adwuma na ɔmo bɛyɛ. Eti ewesi make sure say ye mpanimfo a ye di dwumadi ama wo mo no ɔmo di ɔmo dwumadi no sɛ de ɛsɛ fata. Ɛyɛ de obi nka sɛ dwumadi a ɔmo die no kyematoɔ bi ɛma ho anaasɛ mfomso ma mfomso betimi aba. Na mfomso na yɛ dɔɔso. 16 regions and ye kwato aba. Say 4 regions there. Yes, errors. Okay. Aka be 5 days. Na echina Ashanti region there so ko yes ani any day. Yes remo. Aha no. Enye MPP sem. Enye NDC sem. Obi a one monitor me political show. I think say ha eh 4 station amaba. TV station, my adwuma TV station bi so. Radio station so. My adwuma mienu so. Less than 10 years me ye media adwuma. Me ye very polite and mature political show. Me can de beboa Ghana. Enye de beboa o political party. 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46. Ken Kwadwo Ebubada anope obegyinam de ama MPP Osunu Kokroko amanyoko na Ken etimi ma emedurui. Ken Kwadwo Ebubada enti ubetimi atena fie no aka an o ma mfrɛ MPP ni bia e no ma frɛ NDC ni nko an no me ye political show no flyer na that screen so no me mpɛ one side political show MPP ni NDC ni CPP ni egum ni na wa kyerɛ wa adwen in a polite and matured manner na manfo message baako mienu bi aba. Aha. At the right time no, mejebre na makenkan de ama womo. Na eye maami Jane na opoku ajiman. Over the weekends no so enam enkrepumpuni mantem akosombo area na obo entoa no. Fofie antoata ama ehyen ana otim no. Amanfo ekototo emoba ekobrobro ne kem na sabe the Ghana Police Service aso sa ohaw amane a eto ye maame Professor Jane na opoku ajiman. Ye besre our political leaders any media for at this critical moment security no ewe say tight no obi na bepo wa asem and now can the kweye na manyoko dia odi she ba ye good o etia na manyoko dia wo ye nipa boni ni eti hunu ne se mintimi nyese wo e na wonso untimi enyese me se de ewusi ehu wa ade enko e na me so se de emisi hu ma ade enso enko eti ye nyina ye kyerɛ ya adwen e de apre Ghana impuntu in a polite and mature manner for adwen kyerɛ ne bra messages near there 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46 Yokuma plus and afe Yokuma wood and so degeta no so ubenya the best global political show enso ahwe na maame nkɔ minia Jackson ehobio sabe akin kodwo ebubada entime me kan nsa no ya ni obeba kodwo obeba sisi e na ye maame Professor Jean na opoku ageman ne nto aba a onam a wo ba breachire we ekoto no eduru mra yehia script Jackson running mate yanti asempa but when pra nyame adom when pra
Chiri MPP Amanyokuru. The tradition called the UP tradition. Ghana anye ye nyina. Womu tumpon ewo amammosem MPP.
Hey,
they thrive in impunity and nation wrecking.
Almost say monso na mo revolution for.
Yeah, there be a revolution for no. Eya soldier for amemuo.
Okay.
Ena yen susu soldier for amemuo no by na NDC enwo ye. Ye go back to multi-party democracy. Ena NDC aban ye wo ye. Na mom ni pot owo de adwen by me at NDC no e soldier ni. Nti enya soldier for namfo bebre anu omo ye nimdifo efra yi mu. To omo ma ye soldier for ntete ye. NDC, we are very disciplined than any other political party under this Fourth Republic. One of the most disciplined institutions in Ghana is soldier, military.
Sure.
And it's a woman, a woman barracks. One say, I'm near it. Mantania, number by a woman barracks. One are disciplined, but very, very, very brave. So because NDC for a safe revolution more. Ampa ya maame nom ne ya papa nom na ebedi kan be ya NDC politics no. Na ebi fi asojafo mu na baaye. Asojafo are very disciplined. Enter JJ Rollins wana wonte krono no. Asojafo nye corrupt. Who ujira kwa na police patrol any soldiers patrol. So mu jira kwa wa mu na jijis kan. Asem sebe
so obi an adwuma
na me se mo am na ya jijis.
Obi an adwuma bia ba.
Enti ye free a disciplined revolution. Tene yo ne pere yo. Ene ne eden sunsun ene de tete NDC. Tutimi fire nwa. Ba ye buade ye jo. Ye ne enim defo. Enti MPP tradition. Omo mpe ni papa bia wo Ghana ada. Sanse oman ne bo anu omo yeye.
Hey,
that is MPP for you. MPP oman I'm telling you, my one or two adebio. Hwe onyansafo bakwa Ghana enyaye in the whole history. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Kwamu ne tu na de so. Eye UP tradition for ya. Nyansani o start ma Ghana ye matches. Nyansani o start ma Ghana ye radio. Ghana ye in the TV. Ghana ye in the car. Sasika we nyina ne ye nyema we ye kare sika ne de akofa ba wonyansani o me ye sa nyema we 1950s eba ye start say ye nyema we nyina ye Kwame Nkrumah die na MPP fo amfa anye ntwa na su ni we mu oman bofo mu an wo mu ye yi oman ni gina na nipa dodo wo gina be ya wo mu mpe
na che MPP fo anwe na oman Ghana
wo mu nwene oman Ghana ho Kwame Nkrumah ji independent me more historical facts Kwame Nkrumah ji independent of UP tradition which was the UGC's National Liberation Movement mateme ho fo omo dey for mateme ho enye CPP wo fra wo so omo mra wo so wa wini de bo omo mra ne anwene Ghana ho minia Kwame Nkrumah fra wo 11 times before we amanda yen check the partition of Ghana Kwame Nkrumah check Ghana mu in 10 to 10 regions no wo fra MPP for nananom 11 times na omo amba Almighty Chio for even distribution of Ghana's wealth. Omuama. The same thing, JJ Rollins. Ebaya besi yakotron 1992 constitution MPP for Omuama. Adeɛ bi a ɛyɛ national cohesion, national unity, MPP for mpe. Ɔmanfoɔ no nyinaa di yie a amanyɔkuo MPP wɔn mpe.
You normally free SHS abeg.
Free SHS bɛn.
Hey.
Free SHS bɛn.
Ambulances baby.
Free SHS yedi.
Hey.
Meba. Ɛno kura no so kura nyɛ ɔmo na de ba yɛ. John Mahama. Meba udi deɛ.
Ah, so one 12 fees ah. Says can card be 12.
Meba jo say but John Mahama time. John Mahama time.
Some dey also progressive.
John Mahama time na yɛ ni progressive. Utua school fees ni bi. We e border obetua. Day student ni ntua. Uwi abato ton ho ni eme nyina be ko school no. No oboka 1000. MPP dey ni say e free. Ube wi abato ton ho ni eme nyina no oboka 6000. Me pa ton nyansa wo.
Ani dey say
ewiase
enye MPP
ko aba power na ewiase ko na NDC dey aba power ewiase gina ho
because that time how many years ni
they can say me say
now on fear say
there be nyam fear say enfasa wo mu enfasa wo mu shallow thinking ma me pa to tie me ba ye nyini ko yani mu ayen kase wuri and the dokunu me ba MPP abai dokunu 50 pesos akwa 1 cedi and the atamils woman Atamils Ghana we cannot afford to buy kenke 50 pesos na call 1 cedi. Any MPP fortunate.
And they cost
the crew cut 7 cedis and 10 cedis.
You buy 5 cedi.
Beba.
Mo buy 5 cedi.
Sasma making.
And I self no be maintain.
Asma making. Sabi ahobrasie mu amenia. Adwene wo mu atie mi ye.
I say be tie.
Beba. Adie 50 pesos call 1 cedi. The increment is only 50 pesos. MPP for tija. Ya ba ye MPP for tija. Ene wo mu ba ye dokun na nkofo mu. Dokun no mu ye dede no dokun ne bu ankofo. Ene dokun na 5 cedis ye mo. Ene dokun ye 5-7. Bebu onso 7 cedis 10 cedis.
Na say maami o atwuma fun ase obo 4.
Da bi ye ka kuma sa atwuma. Plus we dey ka.
Ese nya Ghana. Eh,
oh. Tie.
Ghana fon ya ti kuma.
Me nya Ghana fon ya na ti kuma.
Atwuma fun ase just 5 minutes.
Say dokun ko 4 cedis wa atwuma na ese. How many cities do you need? How many 50 pesos do you need? Remember? Aha! And I'm making sure mono. So we have 50 pesos back to the crew back. MPP for sending warning. And then we have 50 pesos saying that and say when you the crew back. Nti make us MPP one pay o man we yi. Ni etieni na make me build the point. Hweminia, hwade John Dramani Mahama friend MPP for nyina ne Ghana for nyina say. Mumye nyina yenko senchi economic forum. Obi bonu mo se omani beye yara efriye na rawa. Yemo ye bira ye soman beye ya na efriye na rawa. Oman ye me man sa nyo.
Okay.
Ye nyina yenko dwene Ghana sikasem MPP for sin kai omonko.
Okay.
Me ba MPP for so omonko. And one more ama. Ya didn't who ye the choir IMF we or mine IMF shame saying that your money be ye no she ya John Dramani Mahama buying MPP NDC MPP buying number 7. Some na ye choir IMF petrol 14 cedis. MPP abese no me petrol 70 cedis. How many 14 cedis now we here? Kosuane meko na 50 pesos. And the kosuane meko, I just hope 50 pesos mako 6. Some when you kosuane ba kweni. Nti me ka say. Womu nini papa womu ma no kweni. Enti so womu ni papa bi a wa pti. Ya wo meye bibia mo man na wo de nipa na target. Enti professor je na no popo agye. Na pro wo bono. Nse mo waka ato MPP for so ya wo mo da wo mo na ne say what the policy me no pen number what the policy any kind operation operation recover all loot
okay
and sika MPP for ewia afa nyansa ko wo bo mai na professor Jenna no popo ajimanse wo ba ina say wa wo ni sika ne beba ina say wa wo ni sika ne beba anase ba be chiwo enti wo mu awie sika toto adan Every sika de hyɛ fam. Wɔn mu every sika de hyɛ mpaase. Wɔn mu ade gu polytank mu. And Professor Jena no Pokwadman say. So about power. Wuni, what is this year? We now what the aba. As far the abacho. And no one ato almost swa. Woman ya number yin kwa feeling. It will have police report na almost say. Now convoy neighbor no be should police report so. O tip motor so.
Okay.
And what two are their book. And I'm it means two are their book. Nina say and ka wole hwe convoy ni mu a wole hwe car na edi kan ni mu a but what must say now my cars na sisa so mo nyina ekọ equivalent interval speed e no mo nyina de na eti first car no eye crossed no olusu control a mo amaka nyina mo de babubbo mu a bi e bibubbo mu na bibi a kama ame no nanso ni papa panti onyame bebo no ban me ba choma mo fuma nsi
for 1 minute
onyame bebo ban ni ban aman enti boni e wan pipi 14 ama me ni de ehu ato om se wo ba wo beti wo mo agum no eno no mo kopa na yi ni kwan mu oka ne kra to fo nanso onyame a okata nipa kra so na oyi wo nipa free ahohiem wo se na meyi we dagopo asem oka wo se na me nyame boni beto wo nifa ani benkum na wani wana wo de behwe na ebi nkam eno na esie no me say pipi fon ko he emra he wani o madu o man Professor Jena no Pokwadman be che won
Jackson Mesa aba ho
wo che won wi a MPP be hu ni smoothness stuff nti we den utimi nkono.
Okay.
She will come and redeem this country and we will reset this country.
Medasi. Abusuafo ene de kwan so ononyamfo Jackson Pra na wote ne kan so NDC eba beje Ghana efri amemu a enkoye a nanado danko akufado ene MPP osunu kukuku amanyuku ede yenem no ho na amanfo message mamenye bre na menkenkai emfamom we ose NDC all the way wamfani din ama afi na odini din aba NDC all the way we Fadila from Tadieso. Okay. We say my name is Tilapia from Klachi in the Uti region. The EC is not being fair at all. We have seen what she is about to do. I swear to my maker, we will not allow her this time. Look at the work of Aferijan. I don't know his party as at today. Why is this woman doing? Obin so a message out the way tilapia with free catch in the Oti region. Ena edeba unsu betimi do dia 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46. O de o message ba ye beje bre na ya kenkai e de amount. Manenya very polite and mature, free of insult. Was good morning, Minia. Keep it up. The sky is only our limit. The best political show I've ever watched. Greetings to my people at Esase. Keep it up. We Ruben upon messenger or day eba do na FN Pisco uko bomfa Esase a eho any Ruben baby a ofina sabedie wo ye adwuma wo Ghana Airport Company Limited. My Pisco one workers are ewo Ghana Airport Company na no ye cheche was me I tell the NDC man that during Mahama era there was no light for the cornmeal machine to operate, so the scarcity of kenke made people love the interest of eating kenke. Ruben ena esadia but some can draw say during Mahama era there was no light for cornmeal machine to operate, so the scarcity of kenke made people love the interest of kenke. So he couldn't compare the price of kenke, but rather the state our lighting system. Pisco messenger or de abanono. Teacher constitution edifu yamoase ena edebe. Why is JDM and his NDC deceiving their supporters? After passing people from different regions and constituencies to Kumasi, you are so telling us that you had massive support in the Ashanti region. In fact, NDC will remain in opposition forever. Greetings to Dr. Baumia, Honorable Mavis Nkansa Boadu and Koka. Teacher Constitution, Messenger, or the free we are more say Ebam. Facebook, among for and so messages. Elhon, Mr. Fabrantem, Amantema, Yentimi, and Kinkai, Enfama. Way, Yvonne, or there was a good morning. Yvonne messenger or the no Yvonne eba chi. Also ubetimi edo di aba 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46. Mananya very polite and mature. Kaya Nation say Kowa morning show. Debia from Monday to Friday. Oshe e Kumewu. And afe Kuma Plus. And afe Degeta no so no. Odifo Samson Kweku Yeboa and Adani Denam was so yasna. You did the best global political show at the Brew. A real Munyankupon Difua, Wainama or my Ghana, any Ariasia for Nana, or the Yankupoma, if you how any Yabeni them, a Odifo Samson Kweku Yeboa or Drobo Japekum or the four may say, and now baby, and now I'm found and share with them with them. And can say bibi any wiase bibi wo wiase esmasi ana 2024 ena kakraka ansa na afe na kowie unim die besi ene unim die ebesi ochina na ope onyankopon difo a wama ne hunhum ehunmu ewe emrema odifo Samson Kweku Yeboa a wowo drobo Japekurum abusua yanko ne enu onyame difo enkobo empunimpu ne how Yamani nyina no unyamidifo no enyim free yeso emfamaye se akwantu se school sem se awaresem oton ayentwa odifo Samson Kweku Yeboa asoye ene wese ne no mienu na yedi ye ni kire ewo drobo Japekurum yemfre onyamidifo a ewemeri woyinama ewiase afane na ewo 0243 35 65 83 0243 35 65 83 and after 0207 15 12 88 0207 15 12 88 Odifo Samson Kweku Yeboa or Drobo Japekurum any ewemi onyankopon odifo a wayi na maye ne a oje yehaw yamane enyina oyi afri so na Nisak professional painting ewo Kumase Asante Mantem eye Atenga Junction ahodu he ya enhye so he ya na abehu Nisak professional painting odofo me say enkofa kwanchen painter bia ma ne me painti wa so dan no ma ne me painti u school no ma ne me painti u company no ma ne me painti bia o restaurant no anase hotel for no how our designing wa painti u hotel wa sorry wa dwuma ekuo no brand no na be attract customers na afen so mo ba wa mo good customer care na pedi obedi dwumadie amana efe oda ho ebeti hyenhyen a Nisak professional painting say the medical can omo Kumase ahojo Atenga Junction yefe Nisak for ewo 0243 338204 0243 338204 Nisak professional painting. They are the champion experts when it comes to painting. Yankonum na edwumadi ahodo a efa painting work na no omonye emfamai obetini so afam +1 no abo code no 401 no account 5840985 +1 no abo 5840985 on your screen obetini afre Nisak professional painting no ma bedi edwumadi the amount na yemre no eko aka emre kakra bi na ye the best global political show no eba ewie 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46 na mame nsanko Jackson ehobio akato na bro na Ghana for ye kugina simpie so ato aba yɛyi yɛ mmerɛ ahyɛ badwafoɔ 276 MPs. Saa bere wɔn yɛ bɛyɛ 806 yɛbɛyɛ 276 presidential candidates na wɔn yɛ 13 ɛna baamowuo ɛde nafa kan abɛfa yɛ maame Akuadonkɔ enti akatoɔ NDC ɛdeɛ nsɛmpa ɛna wɔn wɔ ɛde ma te mmanimfoɔ a ɛwɔ Ghana hanom a nyame yɛ adom a memenda wɔn a ɛde 18 years and above with sound mind ɛdeɛ nhyɛ pa ɛna wɔn wɔde ma yɛn nti a wɔn sɛsɛ Ghanafoɔ ɛnto aba ɛmfa mu Jackson maame ma ɔbɛyɛ 5 minutes na kɛmi bi kyerɛ Ghanafoɔ.
Yo Ghanafoɔ a mohwɛ me ɛnɛ anɔpɛ yi ka ho sɛ amanyɔkɔ betumi aboa wo na aboa wo daakye na ayɛ nhyehyɛ ama watumi atena ase ama nhyehyɛ na aboa waboa wo ma ne wo nananom nya ɛyɛ NDC yɛde ɔman no yɛde adansie and infrastructure adansie ɛne yɛde kyekyere ɔman daakye bɛ Kɔmfanɔkye Kwame Nkrumah mi esi Kɔmfanɔkye hospital also 7 generations bɛyɛ sɛ 6
sure
ɛbatɔ me boa ɛno ne yɛfɛ ne sɛ obi wɔ anisoade mu nti n'anom John Mahama bɛsi Afare military hospital NPP bie ma yɛn na nipa nkom ayarehwɛ obi a nkɔfɔ bɛka sɛ John Mahama adwuma nti ɔne mu mepatɔ KGT na esi wei ɛnɛ sɛnea yɛayɛ no John Mahama yɛ KGT ebetumi asɛbo the next 80 years ɛkyɛ sɛ awɔ ntoatoasoɔ bɛba benya ho mfasoɔ na dwakɛseɛ sɛ na esi wɔ efe dwakɛseɛ central market wonim nkɔfo a ewu akɔ amawu aba a wɔn da so na no mu dia wo ɛna store no yɛ wɔn dia ɛso the unborn generation kwa benya ho mfasoɔ nti NDC abayɛ de adeɛ bi yɛfɛ sɛ legacy and generational projects ɛna NDC abayɛ yɛyɛ ma ɔman no yɛyɛ KGT enipa betumi atena mu adi dwa 80 years sana nadeɛ no araste ɛyɛ fayapo enya so mo ayɛ betumi adu no patwot ma se when yɛde kyekyere wɔ man nti MPP bakuma ase na bisa ne sɛ ɛdeɛ na wayɛ si wo a ɛbɛma ekyiri mamba wo benya ho mfaso a omutimi mbobɔ President Akufo-Addo kogyina na otumfo ani wantimi ne regional minister nso kɔɛ ɔyere TV wantimi Bantama MP kɔɛ ɛdeɛ na moayɛ ama Ashanti region wantimi nanso John Dramani Mahama hwɛ water project ɔyɛ ne Kumawu sɛkyɛ aframple kɔ mbobɔdom ase ɛyɛ yaman besi mampon kofi ase
sɛna nso bɛbie twɛdeɛ government hospital
asɛm wei ne ɛka moka ho bi na sɛbio nsɛntwɛfo ka ho bi na MPP aban ebu Kumase ne Asante region kwasea no yɛ ka deɛ no wɔn anya mu ka ho na MPP bu Asante region
no mo yɛ so yɛ asɛ wɛse
meba twɛdeɛ hospital ne tipe ɛne Afare
Debbie, any dear Debbie.
Tradia hospital ni tipen ni sawia.
Debbie, never.
Market be na MPP asia ni tipen atise KGT a.
Moya, the end yes e bo ma ba.
Enti wo say Debbie, every su ye na ya e petrol tie mi. Tradia hospital ni tipen ene Kepa hospital. Tradia hospital me ba wa me come say o pesa.
Because Achuma Kwangoma e ya hospital.
Tie me.
In the history of Achuma Kwangoma.
How many districts do we have in Ashanti region? And why you move districts? Why you hospital say?
So be a four.
There be a four now be no. And we na who are doing and Kɔmfanɔkye. What's up Kɔmfanɔkye? Polyclinic na shanchen say no. Ure mu na no. E wo down say. Sa na tie. And fear who way na wo di best. Wa bra don na ka chew. Don't Dramani Mahama.
Twɛdeɛ
Me say don't Dramani Mahama. Eyi ni bottom sika what tell ni ministers in Africa so 10%. NDC hospital in Kuma sa 400 eche Ghana. Nti MPP ni awa ye. Wo dey betoto na sabi Afare military hospital on the land size. One assassin kase.
And the same just need say yo.
Me say
as there's a go in Araste.
I want to say no.
Hey,
NPP aban.
We ko kan obi so ye NPP ni, o ko obi so ye NDC ni.
Anya wo ye NDC ni ye NPP ni. We Centrani kanu krese. Krese so say NPP bra wo mo di Asante region abo. Wo mo bu ye kwasea. Say so mo say Asante region dey don pa ni t-shirt. But NDC aban dey. Okay. Asase na e wo Rich Park. Me fa no NDC ada wo fititi o me wo mi hye so. Me ye hye so ni ba. Efie na de aye una mo hye so efie na de aye snap ya ba trust no. Me babo na etim.
Okay.
Etim ye me golf park ni sa ehye so potem ade. E won ye wo mi. Sa na da wo free me something. John Dramani Mahama ko hu recreation center wo Dubai. En wo be ye bi.
Okay.
MPP 42 ensuo na wo ho ni nyina na esama nkofo ko. Wo ma tutu ni nyina ton. Tutu pipes ni nyina ton. Enu nti Rattle Park ebe 7 generation. Unni MPP fire. En sase wo Rattle Park ho nyina wo mo beton ni nyina di. Wo mo do mo esi theater. Ah mase, do ma esi Rattle Park for kids ah. Onu so be si theater for adults.
You know mo si bi o father so bo nsuo mu. Di anwe ni sin.
Di anwe ni afi no kan si asem so. Anwe ni sin.
Wo mo guso ka kan.
Wo ba dey si nti mo ke.
Ah ogusu si.
Rattle Park ye dey say. Ko no go so ni ani mi ye dey say. So MPP aban. Okay. Well, do Asante Region kwasiam premi. First term, second term. And the legacy of MPP. Wo mu bu Asante Region so mo junior president wo mu nyim nyansa. Yo me ye bi o pe. Hwe Crawford market na po. Na no den mpuatwa. Ye ka Ghana sikasem asisifia. Ye ka Ghana sikasem asisifia. Na po ni mpasua so na Crawford market.
Ado mo de mesisifia fo na scam.
See ya case wo me on man pen wo no ba be wo running mate. Wo maka Ghana problem kwa baba so wo sisifia. Ti mi bisa ne say. Ni mpasua so e ho na mi si pop ni mpasua so e ho.
Emebe ma me sa ba.
Wate ni mpasua so e ho.
Me da se.
Me no ni no si. Ni mpasua so.
Wo de on fa wa no si.
Na po ni mpasua so e ho. E na we wo. Ye fan say Crawford market. Na bi aye. And this Abensi market na ko 5. Awa Asante Region.
Okay, Jackson.
Enti ni ebiem na enti ye ko obi aye nto abama no a.
Okay.
Eye ne waye bi pe. Aye bi afukama ni din bi aye bi afudawa. Ye mfanya me ba kire nkowure mu.
Okay, me da se nyame sha. Yvonne, I say no matter what happens, MPP is the best party in the country. Yvonne message wade abano. Desmond Ebiba from Kentampo. Tell my brother to open the truth for them. Desmond Ebiba from Kentampo. Tell my brother to open the truth for them. Okay. Sabi obetimi afre fa afre for bese 5 pe e de account. 0243 12 36 46. 0243 12 36 46. 020 2668 461. 020 2668 461. 0243 12 36 46. Hello, ni dey class udin ni be akasa free. Hello? 020268 461. 0243 12 36 46. Eya no ma hwe 0243 ni ya ma me obi wola no so. Hello, ni dey class udin ni be akasa free.
Bonjour, me kasa free ni ba.
Okay, wa ba fa udin no adwen kire.
Eze. Hello.
Me pa cho adwen kire wa.
Mo pa cho papa no ato wonte na atam no ala kama no ko MPP fu ewu kwa. MPP fu ewu fu papa wa say me ame.
Okay. Next call udin ni be akasa free. Hello? 020268 461. 0243 12 36 46. 020268 461. 0243 12 36 46. Hello, any day pass udin ni baby akasa fi.
Yo, you're from Kwabna Kudom, Kasa from Kumasi Boku.
Open kesi ya wadwen kire.
Yo. The enemy ane kind is me kana me fa na bona ba so ya dia pa. Na mo Ghana ɛbɛyɛ de pa sɛ bɛyɛ yie
Studio
ɛsɛ
volume.
sɛ once MPP4 te ase nko adeɛ Ghana bɛbrɛ nsɛn yɛayie ɛbea yɛn nyinaa yɛwu kɔma nipa foforɔ ba deɛ a na MPP4 ɔman deɛ ɛbɛyɛ yie na mesrɛ abatɔ no a yɛbɛto mu ha de nkyɛ kɛkɛ bi fa ho sɛ na mato aba akyɛ ba menim sɛ san wɔkɔto aba no koraa no a yisi tipa no yɛde ama wo no ne stamp ɛbɔ akyire saa tutu amantam ɛnwa ne da nko a mekɔkɔ hu yɛ sɛ saa yɛma wo tipa sɛ kɔto a sɛ sɛ yisi stamp bɔ so anka wakɔto because obi tumi hyɛ saa wo sɛ akɔwɔ yɛaso yɛmfa bi nsi akyi wobɛkɔ akɔto bɛbrɛ ne yɛyɛ afunu mesrɛ mo mmoa no so akyi sɛ ɛnɛ nkɔpem mendade wɔyɛde tipa bɛma obi ahyɛ akyire na ho sɛ yisi stamp no bi sɛ so anka wakɔto aba na mesoma adwene kyɛ kakra mɛka no no meda mo ase na menhyira mo
Na menhyira pa. MC aya yɛnte callers ne nka yɛ o mesrɛ mu a studio sound yɛ amombie no kakra ma yɛ. Next caller wodi ni baabi akasa free. Hello? 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46 0368 461. Next caller wodi ni baabi akasa free. Hello? Hello mpacho wodi ni baabi akasa free. Hello? 0243 12 36 46 020268 461. Hello, next caller Udini baby akasa free.
Me pata me kata pia na order rejer kumbungu constituency pata o kumbungu.
Okay, Udini openi.
Me da wase wa ya de nyame hira o. Me fa ko je wo na me ja honor from komna anodon pre ejuma wura. Me ja alaje habib idirte MP di matolon constituency konkure ayana wa ja bi pa. Boy na obi boy na man pen ko afo. Atena o ja. Penyin na na dan ko akufo do bae 2017 ga pimin den. Pete juma pa bia na na dan ko akufo do wanye. Ento to honum kuran no sa ye campaign na John Dramani Mahama. Enjoy funo akoko kitinkiti preku kitinkiti John Dramani Mahama ye nipa bia o to honum ye campaign mano. Nipa ye tu aba mano 2012. Papa baye le bo se ba ko kuran po want man di so. Emra na ye tu aba mano. Papa ti o ti say dem ma finish na mpana baraka dompe. Entimi
Next caller Udini baby akasa free 30 seconds each. Next caller Udini baby akasa free.
Hello, me kasa free tema.
Openi kesi wa dwenchire.
Me pamocho debre. We je me pese me ka bibi kakra about digitalization.
Okay, yampo.
Ebra ye eventually fiber cables no. Na ba mi ya ojira hipa. Company only fiber only digital center. They did the Alcatel. One and Akasa me amenu kasa ibidi. For a Germany, the family is a farm. Maybe besides Pamia said, President Mahama only about digital. Na digital center now was here no what you saying?
Okay.
Only regulatory and another day, 2 years. And to say all Qatar.
Next caller Udini baby akasa free. Hello?
Yes.
Me pacho Udini baby akasa free.
Aza bakasa free kadi yako.
Me pacho wa dwenchire.
Me pacho.
Oba pa yetie wo. Hello?
Me pacho. MPP phone ta so much stress say. MPP ba dia no ye.
Yeah, that's it. Next caller Udini baby akasa free. Hello? Yeah, family you pay account. Next caller Udini baby akasa free. 0206.
Hello.
Me pacho Udini baby akasa free.
Mizizi Emmanuel Kwanza mkesi fimankisi.
Okay, mpacho wa dwenchire.
Madwin chana is ya no kwan the home the impeka because eba central region offende ezeko Krofu road no do fofo kra waye onu we bia ni na no da start to oh so anyama waye na rempo numula nyama wa waye na rempo beble na so nya papa kama
Okay.
that's
Yeah, that's Nyamisha. Next caller Udini baby akasa free. Hello? Next caller, Udini baby akasa free.
Pacho Kasefka,
Openi kesi Udini wadwen chere.
Flammable.
Okay, me pacho yemko.
Yo, me Pacho, Waya, and yeah, it's a Pacho, and yet your Muhammad, and I John Muhammad was president. At the foot, they catch them with what the outcome at the level of control, the good for education.
Okay.
But when the NPR is cool, you know, the education will be ordinary and in the year. So I'm allowed to tell you.
Grazie. Last caller, Udini baby akasa free. Last caller, Pacho Udini baby akasa free. Hello? Okay. Okay, yemfa afrefo dwumadie no ensi anoma ka be 5 minutes na ye di dwumadie no ebewie. Na a very congratulations to Naomi and Edith. Naomi ene Edith omo ewie media school. Naomi one unua Edith champion Adom best ese omamo a very congratulations. And some children na mawura mu no emu edi ye papa nanso se unya ewenta so akukuduro nyamesuro eba ma akwan mu a mubetimi aye adwuma no akoduru bɔhye asase so MPP any NDC DS wo mo no da ne da nyina no omo pese de ye omo de no omo political parties ne de no ene yenka mo wo mo but yen so sabi obi a onyansa obi a wadwene eda ne tirim. It once again a very happy graceful congratulations to Naomi and Edith for completing media school. Monfa abotre nokre obuo enye adwuma na nyankopon ebema enkunimdie aye modia. Na a very special happy birthday enso eko ede ama officer Ruth Akon. Officer Ruth Akon, police officer, Central Prisons. A very happy, graceful birthday. Yes, so Nyankopon say, Officer Akon, want to anamon NC baby ye. Wakuma swadi papa biano. Unyankopon manemrem, enkunimdie mu. Emfama way free oba Teresa. Ena ose or we show a very happy, graceful birthday. Sister Ruth, adwuma na oye no. Yesrese kitasehye proye ensem ubeyi afri wa kwem no waye de beboa tememufo a ewo oman Ghana ma eno ene benam so ama Israel domberema ehyaw na waye wakoma so ade a akoma so ade papa bia ede ama. Once again a very happy graceful birthday Officer Ruth Akon a oye adwuma Kumasi Prisons owo court unit wonum eho ena oye adwuma ene aha and you did the best global morning show ABC Kowa morning show no ABC na yam no ko Michael Jackson 30 seconds with the final submission e dey aba we dey Chia Jackson
Because wa machia me group team fearless.
Okay.
Machia omu bebre wa juma omu ni NDC. Omu yama NDC. Na yiwie yekoso aye na wotwe door to door campaign. Na mekoso anso machia Ira Julius Debra.
Okay.
Why very inspirational to me in my political activity.
And baby he says Beko bias no di next you.
Aha. Na what chance or his success in John Dramini.
Okay.
It's Mechia or Julius Debra Pai because na me koso anso chia me papa Dr. Sapon. Dr. Sapon. Dr. Sapon, yeah.
Okay.
Me chia nos from Kon. Ono Dr. Sapon any Alhaji Tapsoba. In fact, some benefit me free. Me political equation more in Dr. Mr. Tapsoba, Alhaji Tapsoba.
Okay.
Me chia ne kese. Nemo, me can't be a say. Would the ballot box in the mawa? Baby a wuchia, baby
paper
no chinyen wa. Upon a wooden see. And see baby, what is sitting in chair per se Kim. What one was Mahama?
Jackson Yamisha.
Tuzua. What was that?
Abusuafo any day kwan so onumunyamfo Darren Pra Jackson ena ote ne nka no okasa edema NDC chinye amanoko no ye to yensa fe Ken Kwadwo Ebubada to na meginem ema MPP so atosumi ama the name still remains Odisheba Kweku Edispoku na eye odifo Samson Kweku Yeboa ena afe ni sack professional painting ena eso yasin odifo Samson Kweku Yeboa ewo drobo jape kurum ko honum na wie emrem Onyankopon enam didifo so enye ohaw ene wabenedie emfeosu ni sack professional painting enso Kumasi Ahonjo Atenga Junction champion team of producers eye Adom Best ena afe champion famous senior Kobe ebo echiridom ena afe chief executive producer Sam Dakus the hard working and the champion man na afe JJ Asandilo enso ebo echiridom yedamase ema mo ene hwa yejemo adehye yakram nyame admo ochina anopa 6 a.m. sharp you started the best global political show level. The name still remains once again for this year by political.
Preview.